Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing Cruisin Lightning McQueen. Now, he appeared in Cars, well this variant anyway, after now he got this from, getting some stuff from Rainy Springs, like a paint job from Ramon, as you can clearly see. Some of Fuel's organic fuel. Ooh, what else is there? Some surplus from Sarge. Obviously, white walls from Luigi and Guido's. And, well, now if you're wondering, oh, I'm not Sony. Oh, well, he stayed in the Codico Motel. So, yeah, nice. Now let's move on to the design. As you can see, it's red, no decal on him, obviously no, like Rusty's on a 95, and plus he's got no spoiler as well, which is a odd choice. Though he probably would look better without the spoiler, which obviously has no spoiler, so no, I'll forget it. And as you can see, he's obviously sparkling. Well, look at shiny. Look at. Well, you probably can't see it, but I don't know. Look, I put my thumb on it, and it leaves a little thumbprint. I've got arched fingerprints, by the way. And look, as you can see, it's got little white walls, and obviously here's a signature bolt. So that's the bolt. I mean, that's what I'm doing now. Mr. John Smith, red rims, which, yeah, obviously the standard McQueen has, white walls, as I previously mentioned. He's got a nice, calm, cool expression. Oh, and not to mention, he got some stickers from Lizzie, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino, as the Chuck Berry song says, who was covered by John Mayer. Both good artists. Obviously, there's Fuel Filler Cab, which every car has, doesn't it? Yeah, of course. Spacey Mono, Spacey Mono. It's only a little 4-cylinder, 280 horsepower. Yeah, like I said, no decals, as you can. Oh, well, decals. Well, they use it for racing anyway. And look, and he's probably one of my favourite McQueen variants ever. Which I like him. And in the car, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate him? Tell me in the comments. And plus, I'm trying to get to 50 subs. So well, currently at the moment it's 27th of October, 2023. And I've currently got 49 subscribers, so I need one more person to subscribe, by the time my clutch burn video is released, I might have already reached 50 subs. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all there is to say. See you in the next video. Uncle Roger.